smart lifestyle, making you powerful for living a happy lifestyle. Hi guys, do you feel awkward in social situations? Do you have problem with connecting with other people? In case you have that, then watch the video. I will solve your problem today. So I will tell you 6 ways to make people like you from Dale Carnegie's book How to Win Friends and Influence People. Over 30 millions of copies were sold of this book worldwide. So watch the video till the end, or else you will not understand anything what I am saying. So let's get started. So first, be genuinely interested in others. A detailed study of New York Telephone Company shows that I later have been pronounced 3,900 times in 500 phone conversations. So did you understand what I am trying to say? People are interested in themselves morning, noon and after dinner. They are not interested in you. So Dale Carnegie says that you can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can try in 2 years to get other people interested in you by showing your talents and qualities. So when you show your talents and qualities to other people, hopefully other people interested in you and like you. That's not how it works. In this way you will never make real friends. But when you take interest in other people's life by asking questions about them or taking care of them, then you can make real friends. In this way other people will also take interested in you and like you, and you can make real friends in that way. So be genuinely interested in others. And next is give smile to other people. A man was very disappointed of his life, although he had a beautiful wife, kids, successful business, but he was a serious man about his work. He does not give smile to others and talk much with others. Because of this, nobody liked him and doesn't want to talk to him. People just walk away from him when they saw him. But the man was very disappointed, and one morning he decided that he will give smile to everybody no matter whatever it takes. When he was leaving the house for office, his wife came for shutting the doors. Then the man gives smile to his wife. His wife surprised and tells, "Are you okay?" As his husband gives smile at in 18 years of their marriage. The man says that I am fine and you will get smile from me every day, and leaves the house. When he was walking on the street for office, he says good morning and gives smile to his neighbor. His neighbor also surprised and does the same thing with him, like giving smile, saying good morning. And after that he also gives smile to his colleagues, and over time he gives smile to his office colleagues and phone calls that he attends from customers. And in this way he notices one thing, that when he is giving smile to others, then others are also doing same thing to him, like wishing him good morning. For a couple of months, then everybody started liking him and want to spend much time with him. This is that when a man was not smiling, they feel the man was rude and arrogant, and now they need. His wife is now super interested in him, and the sex was more casual, and it easily happens between this couple. So give smile to others. Actions speak louder than word, and a smile says that I like you and you make me feel happy. And next, third is remember people's name. Once upon a time, Dale Carnegie and Pullman were fighting for being number one car company in New York. For capturing larger market, both company was reducing price, and in this way they are losing their profit margin. And one day these businessmen meet in New York. First Dale Carnegie says, "Are not we making fools of ourselves?" Then Pullman replied, "What did you mean?" Carnegie says, "Instead of fighting and reducing price, we should work together, and in this way we will both get profit." And Pullman was not fully convinced with that idea. Finally he asked what would be the company name, and Carnegie says Pullman Palace Car Company, of course. Pullman's face was beaming with happiness and smile, and he was convinced. And he says that meet me in my office. We will talk about this matter in my office for making a new company. Carnegie thinks that tension has relieved. He have fully convinced the man. Always remember, people's name is important to that person. This possible because Carnegie gives the company name to Pullman's name. So remember that a person's name is the sweetest sound to that person in any language. And next, fourth is be a good listener. Carnegie once visited a dinner party of New York's book publisher. In there, he meets with a botanist. He never talked with the botanist before, and he find it fascinating. So he just sat down and listened what was botanist saying. Botanist was talking about exotic plants and new ways for developing plant life. Carnegie had a small indoor garden, and botanist was good enough at just solving couple of his problems. So he ignored dozens of guests around him. and listened to what botanist was saying. And after that, when midnight came, Carnegie says goodnight to everybody and going away. Then botanist turned around to our host and paid several flattering compliments. At last he says that the man was the most interesting conversationalist that I ever met. But wait here, Carnegie hardly said anything at all. All he does is just genuinely listen, and the botanist felt that and it naturally pleased him. So genuinely listen to others and encourage them to talk more about themselves for being a likable person. There is a reason that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. You understand? And next, fifth is first talk in the terms of other people's interest. One day a school teacher found that he needed a favor from Mr. Chalips, a president of largest corporation in America, for a Boy Scout Jamboree program which will held on Paris, and he needed the tour expense for one student from Mr. President. Fortunately, before when he went to see the man, he did a research about the man, and he finds out that once the man was actually drawn a check worth $1 million. After that, it has cancelled and the man has framed it. So the teacher entered the president's office and he wished him good morning and asked to see the check of $1 million. And he also says, I never knew that anybody had ever written such a check, and I want to tell my boys that I have actually seen a check of $1 million. And then Mr. Chalip gladly showed it to him. And after that, the teacher admired him and asked him tell all about the fact how it happened to be done. Here, notice here, the school teacher never talked about what he wanted about the Boy Scout. And after some time, Mr. Chalip automatically asked him why he had visited my office, and he told all about the fact. Mr. Chalip immediately granted, but not just for tour expenses for one student, but for 5 students along with the teacher for 7 weeks. He also appointed Jamboree's manager in their service, and after that he also visited Paris Jamboree program and showed them the full jamboree around areas and the town. So first take interest in other people's life when you need something from them or you just want to be a likable person, whatever. And next, give compliment and do it sincerely. Author once or twice visit post office for posting letter. Here he notices that the postmaster worked here year after year, but he was never seemed to be happy or laugh with anyone. Author decided that he will make the man happy and like him, but the author could not understand how he could do it. After some time watching the postmaster, he notices that the postmaster was playing with his hair. Then Carnegie doesn't waste any time and Carnegie gives suddenly compliment like, I wish I had head of your hairs. Then the postmaster looked up to him with the face of genuine smile and said, it was not good as it before does. It has lost some glory of it. And after that incident, when the author visited the post office, the postmaster give smile at him, and obviously the postmaster started liking Carnegie. So give compliment to others and do it sincerely, and in this way a person will instantly like you. So guys, finally thanks for watching. You guys are smart. Check I button and description for developing powerful personality. Subscribe to this channel. In this way you will never miss life-changing video from this channel. Give a thumbs up. Comment now which trick you will apply today. My favorite is giving compliment to other people for instantly liking me. And what is yours? And download free PDF book summary, link in the pinned comment section. Download it now.